Hello and welcome to section 7.4. We're going to be working with elimination again today, except for we're going to be doing a step before we eliminate. Here are the solutions to 7.3. Hopefully you guys enjoyed elimination because we get to do one more day with it. If you guys have any questions on these, as always, make sure you check in with me. Okay, so it says solving systems by multiplying first. You can just call this, if you want, elimination. Day 2. So what we got going on here with these problems is if we take a look at the 5 and the 3, the 2 and the negative 4, none of those will eliminate if we multiply by negative 1 or as they are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply one of the equations by a number. In this case, I'm going to go with 2 because if I multiply the 2y by 2, it becomes 4y. And then that allows me to eliminate. So you're just going to have to do one simple step before you begin the elimination process. And you're basically distributing this 2 to each number, each term. And then once we're done with that, we can add them together. So 13x, now the y's are going to eliminate, equals 52. Divide by 13, and then x equals 4. And then you're done. Well, you got to figure out what y is. So if I plug in 4 and for x, I have 20 plus 2y equals 16. Subtract 20. 2y equals negative 4, so y equals negative 2. And basically, it's the same exact lesson. And there you go. Let's see. This one here, I would, if you're looking at the 2 and the 6, the 3 and the 5, I would multiply this one, this bottom one, by negative 3. Because then you have negative 6. And again, make sure you multiply each number by that negative 3. Get rid of that equation there. You don't need it. And then you can go ahead and do your elimination. 2x minus 9y equals 1. And 7x minus 12y equals 23. I can't multiply a whole number by 2 to get to 7. I can't multiply a whole number by 9 to get to 12. So what that means is sometimes you have to multiply both equations. Basically, look for your least common multiple of, say, 2 and 7. That'd be 14, or 9 and 12 would be 36. I would go with the 2 and the 7. 36 is probably easier. It doesn't matter, but you're going to have to multiply both of them. So I'm going to multiply this one by negative 4 and this one by positive 3. And the reason why I'm doing negative 4 is so that the y value is positive, and then the the y value on the bottom one will be negative. You need one of them to be positive, and you need one of them to be negative. Okay, so now I have my y's 36 and negative 36 for the coefficients. I'm going to add here. Did I make a mistake? Normally the numbers work out really nicely. 21 and 8. I'm going to check my work. Negative 8, 36, negative 4, 21, negative 36. Yeah, all my math checks out. I guess I'm just bad at arithmetic. 13 actually goes into 65 quite nicely. 13 times 5. I should have known that. X equals 5. I thought it was going to be a decimal for some reason. I don't know. Guess I'm bad at multiples of 13. And then go ahead and plug your x back in to either equation to get your y value. So there you go. So this is an example in which you would multiply both equations. And then we have where we have to rearrange the equations. I did an example like this in the last video. So I'd get the x and the y on the same side. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 3x. So negative 3x plus 2y equals negative 9. Get rid of this here. And then do your elimination. I'm going to go with 12 here for my x's. Let's go with positive 3 and positive 4 because that will give me 12 and negative 12. So 12x plus 15y equals 105, and then negative 12x plus 8y equals negative 36. And then as you can see, the 12s are positive and negative, so you can go ahead and eliminate those. I'm going to do this word problem with you guys in class, since you've seen a lot of examples from today already, and that's pretty much it. The assignment, keeping it short for you guys, there's some word problems at the end to make sure you focus on a little bit of practice there. Thanks guys for tuning in to the second day.